Hi, today I'll be showing you guys how to cut and crop your footage in Adobe Premiere. Start by dragging your footage to the timeline. Play your footage and see where you would like to cut at. Once you do that, click on the razor icon to cut where you want. I'm going to cut the dead spaces out so I can have a smooth video. And another way you can cut is by hitting Ctrl+K. Once you have your footage cut to your liking, you can start cropping. Click on the footage you want to crop, and under the effects controls, there is a section for cropping. Once you're at the section, you can start cropping to your liking. And another way you can crop your footage is under effects. Search crop under the effects and drag it to your footage. Once you've done that, you can start cropping to your liking as well. And once you follow those steps, you should know how to cut and crop your footage in Adobe Premiere. Have a good day! Like and subscribe as well.